Alright. So, third day, doing 100 push-up per day. So, binigay sa akin ni ChatGPT is 100 push-up or so 100 push-up per day. 10 lang pala. Ba't mali yata yung ano? So, yung ginawa ko kahapon. So, kasi 20 kahapon. 20 each. Sobrang sakit. So, this time, tagte-10 lang siya. Building form and stability daw. Pakita ko dito. So 10 times, 10 times tas 100 sets. So, let's go! So, easy lang to sa umpisa for sure. 10. 10. 30 second set done. Okay. 30 sets. 40 sets. Okay.
But I love it.
Alright. I think I did a good job since ang focus dito for first week sets here, form and stability. And I think I made it so far. And yun. We'll push through. See you again tomorrow. And wait, the shirt available sa basket. Hindi ito yun. Pero check mo yun sa basket. Alright. Thank you guys. Bye. Day 3 to. Alright, bye.